I'm sad, dismayed and angry at what happened. Rodrigo Duterte is old and he did not deserve what they did to him. What he did was for the Philippines. The time that he was the president was peaceful. There was less crime and there was order when he was in power. He did not deserve this treatment. I am sad because I did not think it would come to a point where he would be arrested.
Para sa akin din kasi, madami
For me, he did a lot for our country and this is what they did to him.